Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Words can inspire. That's the thinking behind the Presence display that artfully brings inspirational quotes to a tabletop stylish digital display. Founder Ashley Saye.
The display is 10 inches and you can put it anywhere in your house. You can put it in your kitchen, on your office desk, in your house, really anywhere that you feel like you're stressed out, or somewhere that you feel like you can look at it every so often throughout your day to change your mindset.
Her favorite, from Jack Canfield, reads, "Everything you want is on the other side of fear." Presence is available for pre-order at discoverpresence.co, Presence. The pre-order price is $189 and includes 6 months of premium content.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.